Hi, my name's Lenny Mellon with Guaranty RV Centers, Junction City, Oregon. I'd like to show you a 2020 20F Arctic Fox manufactured by Northwood. Northwood's manufactured out of La Grande, Oregon. Arctic Fox, which is a Northwood product, been in business since 1993 as a manufacturer. We became a dealer for them in 1994. So we've been through all the good stuff that they built through the past decade. They redesigned the cap on the Arctic Fox trailer. It's really awesome looking, as you see. Also underneath the cap, you've got two nice lights to light up bright at night, so when you're unhooking or hooking up, you can see everything. And of course, you've got the big power ton jack out front and the big propane bottles out front. It's also solar ready. Also, this has got the front and rear power jacks, which is really nice, really convenient. Don't have to crank them down, you just push a button and they go down and level the trailer. You got pass-through storage up front in the trailer, which goes from both sides, so you've got lots of room to store stuff up front. This got a big power awning. What's nice, it's got two dual slides, a smaller one and a bigger one, but it really opens up the living area with a big center console kitchen, which gives you lots and lots of counter space. So if you like to cook, this is the one. It gives you plenty of places to prep things, and you got even a prep section right by your stove. And your stove's a 3-burner stove with a 22-inch oven. Of course, you've got the Freon microwave right above the oven and stove. Arctic Fox puts all Thomas Paine furniture in it. Thomas Paine's one of the leading furniture companies in the world. Also, it's got a lot of lighting through it, all the way through the coach, so you'll be well lit up during the night to make sure you can see all right. It's got an electric fireplace, nice big TV, 15,000 BTU air conditioning. Up front here, you've got your bedroom, which is a walk-around queen, which is a nice sized bedroom. You got the TV that swivels so you can watch it from the living area or the bedroom. You've got lots of storage in the bedroom, a couple big side closets, and ample storage above the bed. Got all your ports in your bedroom, so you can hook up just about anything you want, both sides of the bed. This comes with a dinette table, which most everybody wants in this because it is pretty much a couple persons trailer that want to get out and extended stay. It's got a big rear bath with a ton of storage for your towels and everything else you need, with a big corner shower, big medicine cabinet, and a big sink. So if you're interested in this, just give me a call at 541-228-4584. My name is Lenny Mellon, Mellin, and thank you for watching this video.